Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a free products on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to open up your favorite browser and then just go with gumroad.com, and afterward you will need to go and click on the dashboard button on the top right corner. Okay, and after that all you need to do is to go and click on the products option that's located at the left hand menu, so just click it, and here you will need to click on the new products option or button that's located at the top right of the page, and after that you will need to choose the digital products. Okay, so that's the most common for free downloads, and then just name it. So for example we'll go with digital products name, just set an example with, and you should set a price here. Okay, so for the price you will need to enter it as 0, so that's a fixed price and this makes the products completely free. Okay, so now just go with next and customize and scroll to the price or pricing section. Okay, so here you can go with 0, right, and this option will turn on by default. Okay, so the customers, as I told you, or this allows the people to download for free or optionally pay you, and this is usually better if you want tips and donations. Okay, so then all you need to do is to go to the top of the website and then just go with save and continue and then publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.